Alright, here we are, first thing in the morning. I don't know if you can see this. Here's the water level. There's the water level. You see it on the screen? You can see it on the door? Right here, water level. Let me step back. Alright, going into the bowels. Try to open up some windows back here. Oh boy. Yeah, I'll get to the window.
What is a lock?
Oh, good Lord. Okay. Alright, I'm shutting it off. Alright, here's the end of 99th Street at the park. Oh boy. Yep. So all the garbage yet? All the garbage, everybody's garbage, everybody's house. Stuff from people's houses. Just everything. Look at it. Jesus. The steps for the back steps here are right over there. There's the back steps. For here, floated away. All the boats are gone, boats floated away. It's a total disaster.
Trailer hitch.
There's water in the door.
Yeah, water in the door, water in the back, but I got all my toolbox again.
Yeah, look at the window line. This thing was filled with water. It's all up on the dash.
Yeah,
Oh, what a disaster.
but see, I got my bolt cutters.
There's Uncle Eugene taking his dock back 3 doors down. He's using an oar. Look at this. This is great. It's going on YouTube. Hey, Young, say cheese. Say something.
What?
Don't curse.
Use curse words.
Grandkids are going to be watching this.
Hey, I thought you lost your boats. There they are.
What are you doing? That's a nice boat you got there.
Why did you send your mother down to me?
Nobody sent her down to you.
Yeah, she just wanted to yell at you, Uncle
She
Eugene.
figured out what was going on.
Person like a trooper. Christ, I thought it was Pat Pantaleo.
She figured out what was going
All
on.
right, just come on, throw him a rope.
Look at this. Throw him a rope. Rescue this man. Look at this. I'm putting this on YouTube. This is
Right
great.
away, he looked over
This
that
is
piece of wood over there. He thought that piece of wood was still good.
That was his. He thought it was his. He's gonna hit you. He's gonna hit you before the end of the day.
You're supposed to be cold.
Oh, you want me to pull? You're going to bang into the...
You're doing something wrong. You're doing something wrong.
God, how the hell?
Here, give him this other rope. Give him this rope, Johnny, behind you here.
I got this picked up and put on that thing.
We'll use this here to pick it up.